Okay, so I just got this email a couple hours ago and I want to respond to it. So here's the link, right? All you gotta do is click on the link. Okay. This right here is an old tablet. It's an old Amazon tablet from about 4 years ago. So what I'm saying is you don't need a new computer or even a fast computer. You just need a tablet or a cell phone. So here's the article I sent. It's supposed to explain that a version of Gemini is available now to everybody, and everybody should be able to use it in over 40 countries. And that's the article. So I sent it to you. I was hoping you'd use your tablet or your phone and click on this one right here. It says Gemini 1.5 Flash. If you click on it, it should take you right there. Well, that's not good. So that didn't take me where I thought it would go. So that's not a link to get to. So this is what you do. So you go up to here, and you put in. Oops. Gemini 1.5 Flash right there, and then hopefully it'll come up. Yeah, here it is. Gemini Flash, Google DeepMind. I think this is it right here. You click that. Yeah, this is it right here. So it uses a good AI version of Gemini, but it's also free for all the people. So so where's the menu? It's not helpful. Is that the one right there? You click that. There we go. No, that's not it. This is what I thought it was. Hit the back button. That's great, but how do you use it? Look, I'll just put in Gemini. That didn't help. This is an old tablet, so it's not that great for input. This might be it right there. Google or Gemini.google.com. So yeah, now I pay for Google Gemini Advanced. I pay for it. So it takes me to this Google Gemini Advanced. If you put in that code right there, that link, gemini.google.com, it'll bring up whatever is available to you without paying for it, which it should be good. And then all you do is you find the prompt bar and you type in something you want to know. Like, you can ask it, like, how many is many? So there you go. And that's how you use Google Gemini. You just type in stuff, and then there's some cases you can record your voice. Test. See, I just said that. And then if you hit the hit that button right there, it'll go through. I'll turn that off. I'm gonna erase all that so it doesn't confuse the AI. So part of the prompt is, would you like me to look up more information on the usage of many? So I'll say, Gemini, please look up more information on the usage of many. And I'll hit go. And it'll tell you, and then Gemini will tell you all you want to know. Now, certain, oh, here we are. If you hit that, Gemini will talk to you.
The meaning of many depends on the context and the overall size of the group being referred to. It generally means a large but indefinite number. Small group. If you're talking about a small group, like the number of people at a dinner party, many might mean 5 or 6 out of 10. Large group. If you're talking about a large group, like the number of people attending a concert, many could mean thousands. There's no single number that defines many. It's a relative term that changes meaning depending on the situation. Would you like me to look up more information on the usage of many?
And then you saw where I said, Gemini, please look up more information on the usage of many. It didn't copy it just right because there's text errors, but whatever. And then
Absolutely. Here's some more information on the usage of many. Definitions and usage. Dictionary definition. Merriam-Webster defines many as consisting of or amounting to a large but indefinite number. Indefinite number. The key point is that many doesn't specify an exact quantity. It simply means a large number relative to the context. Comparison words. Many is often used in comparison to other words like few, some, and several. It represents a larger quantity than these words. Examples. Many people attended the concert. Large but indefinite number. I have many books to read. More than a few or several. There are many reasons why I like living here. Multiple reasons. Many of my friends are coming to the party. Most of my friends. Additional notes. The many, this phrase refers to the majority of a group or the masses. Many, this phrase is used before a singular noun to indicate a large number of individuals or instances. E.g., many a time have I wished for a better outcome. Legal and logical contexts. In legal and logical contexts, many can have a more specific meaning, often defined as more than half. Further exploration. For a deeper dive into the nuances of many and its usage, you might find these resources helpful. Quantity terminology: some, few, several, and many. Link to blog.powerscore.com. Commonly confused words: a couple, a few, some, several, many. ESL library. Invalid URL removed. I hope this information is helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions.
So anyway, that's it. So just to go over everything from the beginning. Open a new window. Type in Gemini.google.com. Right there, type that in. And then down here is a prompt. Just type in your question, or if you want to activate to where you can talk directly, and it'll be speech to text and like that. And then there's some other things around here, but anyway, I hope this helps you. I hope it makes more sense. But like I said, this is just an old tablet, and you can use cell phones and all kinds of stuff. You don't need a brand new computer.